So if you'll recall, I switched from that Concorde to this Star Wars speeder bike, so I didn't get started till late Friday night. But Friday night I got through this first assembly and then picked up Saturday morning. All right, a quick update here. So I am all the way through step 4, and this is what I have now. That is still dry fit and several sub-assemblies. If I touch it, it'll fall apart like a house of cards. But yeah, it's every single piece needed quite a bit of work and scraping and stuff, but it's coming together pretty well, and I think it's going to be cool. It's going to be huge. I mean, once that front's on there, it's going to be like that far. For the paints, you know, gloss, semi-gloss, and flat. Gloss white, and then I figured I'd go with the flat aluminum, this metallic gray, gunmetal. So it's about 7:30. So I have everything except the figure cut out and cleaned up, and the cleanup is pretty significant. Everything has just a little bit of flash and or the seams are off. So everything needed to be addressed. But I've gotten through all of it. So now I have just this figure left to put together. And then it'll be a matter of painting. All right, I've got this together. I'm gonna let that dry, solidify. It's still gonna require some work to clean up all those seams all the way around. So I'll hold off on painting that, but I'm going to try to get some of this painted tonight. It's about 9 o'clock. Okay, there's all of the parts and primer. So it's about 1 a.m. I'm going to let that dehumidify overnight and pick up with the metallic gray tomorrow morning. This stuff that's in primer is dry, so now it's a matter of going back to the instructions. So this first step here is these need to be black, so I'll mask those and then paint. They're saying slate gray. I think I'm going to go with this metallic gray. All right, I've got black masked. I'll go shoot this. Okay, so here's the first color. Instead of the slate gray, I went with this metallic gray. Then I'm going to do black washes, and then on the black parts, I'm going to do a gray wash, and then I'll probably do some dry brushing. Before I can weather these black parts, I have to clear coat them. So just hit those with the Pledge. Now I'll go put those in the bathroom, and I don't know if you can hear it. It's on the other side of this wall. Anyway, and then I'll come back while that stuff is drying. I'll come back and work on this guy. And no scraping would be complete without poking yourself with the knife. Damn it. On the arms, before and after. So that's before. And that's after. So just a ton of scraping. All right, there we go. Got him done. Now those arms are just sticky tacked on there. I will go take that stuff out of the dehydrator and start building out that. Probably prime this. I don't even know. Well, I'll probably prime this with the gray. And keep moving. It's 1:30, so it's gonna be close.